We continue to push north, finding more and more evidence of a big wet season. Continue up the Kalumburu Road, we come across a small river crossing. With how fast the water's flowing in this one, it's definitely worth jumping out to take a look.
Sure how deep it is. It's a bit hard to tell. It's not the kind of place I want to go check it either. Don't really know if this is saltwater cross country or not, so we'll just have to drive it.
After arriving into camp late, we wake up in the morning to find something straight out of a tourism commercial. Now with breakfast out of the way, we jump on the quad to go exploring. Coastline this stunning, it's little wonder why people come back here time and time again. Track comes to a dead end, so we jump off the bike and go for a bit of a wander. we've just had a look in the mangroves and through the rocks and everything, seeing what we could find. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem to be a great deal. Marine life, floats them, jets them, nothing. Anyway, we'll keep moving. No treasure today. See what else we can find further up the beach, eh? Coming along here, and I've noticed even all the way back down there's quite a few dog tracks around here. We heard quite a few sort of howling last night and even early this morning. They almost sort of woke me up, I guess, to an extent. If you come over here, you'll actually see there's probably more than one. You can see their tracks come straight through here, and then they sort of spread two ways. So yeah, high chance that there's probably two. Looks like one bigger one and then probably a slightly smaller one. The thing with the dingoes around here is not many of them are actually purebred. Places like Fraser Island and that, you'll get a lot of, yeah, all of them are basically purebred, and that's the way they control it over there, to sort of have it that way. Up here, because of like a lot of the communities have dogs, and they sort of interbreed with a lot of the dingoes and stuff like that, so you end up with dogs that are, you know, mastiffs, cross dingo and cattle dog and basically everything. You can't even tell what sort of dog it is anymore. Anyway, we'll keep driving. There isn't much firewood around these parts, so we've got to take what we can find. Unfortunately for us, looks like the termites have gotten into most of this. It always pays to be vigilant up here, because you never know when Mother Nature might fight back. Hear that? Ow. Pretty hot right now, but the temperature in the northern part of the Kimberleys will cool down a fair bit later on, so it's good to get the firewood now. It's hard work, and like I said, it's hot, but it's better than trying to scrounge around in the bush in the dark, especially when you don't know what's out there. Not to mention, how good is it having a fire around camp? Drops and the midgies come out, we flick around a few lures and enjoy another Kimberley sunset. As usual, nothing's interested in my lure, so we sit back and enjoy the fire instead. Well, that's nearly it for this Kimberley adventure. There's just one more thing to tick off the bucket list: Pentecost River.